Hello and welcome back to the American Academy of Research and Academics podcast, optimizing your professional profile.
I'm your host, Amanda.
And I am Ethan.
Today, we're focusing on creating an impactful academic CV, curriculum vitae. For IMGs, meticulously showcasing your research activities, publications, presentations, and methodological skills on your CV is crucial for standing out to US residency and fellowship programs. Your CV is your professional story. Let's learn how to build one that truly reflects your scholarly prowess.
What is an academic CV and why is it different for research? An academic CV is a detailed, comprehensive document outlining your educational background, qualifications, professional experience, and especially, your scholarly contributions. Unlike a resume, which is typically concise and job-specific, a CV can be much longer and includes all relevant academic and research achievements. For research, your CV needs to explicitly highlight publications, peer-reviewed articles, book chapters, presentations, oral and poster presentations at conferences, research experience, specific projects, roles, and responsibilities, methodological skills, software proficiency, statistical knowledge, grants and awards, any funding or recognition for your research. For IMGs, the CV is often the primary document that program directors use to gauge your research involvement and potential, especially when they can't see your clinical work directly.
Your research CV, a game changer for the Residency Match. A meticulously crafted academic CV that emphasizes your research can significantly boost your residency application for IMGs, demonstrates productivity, clearly lists your publications and presentations, providing tangible evidence of your scholarly output, highlights, skills, allows you to showcase specific research methodologies you've mastered. For example, statistical software, data analysis, systematic review, proves engagement, shows you're an active participant in academic medicine, not just a passive learner. Contextualizes experience. For IMGs, it can explain research done in your home country and highlight its relevance through clear descriptions. A strong research section on your CV tells program directors that you are a well-rounded candidate who is prepared to contribute to their program's academic mission.
Your CV as your academic passport. Your academic CV will be your professional passport throughout your career, especially for fellowships and academic positions. Fellowship applications, a robust research CV is often a prerequisite for competitive fellowships, signaling your readiness for advanced scholarly work. Faculty appointments and promotions, publications and research grants listed on your CV are primary metrics for securing academic positions and advancing through the ranks, e.g., assistant to associate professor. Networking and collaboration, your CV acts as a quick summary for potential collaborators or mentors, outlining your expertise. By meticulously building and updating your CV now, you're preparing for long-term academic success and ensuring your achievements are always effectively communicated.
The strategic clinician, leveraging your CV for impact. Even if your primary goal isn't a full-time academic career, a strong research CV benefits you as a clinician. Expert status. It establishes your credibility as an expert in specific areas, useful for referrals or interdepartmental consultations. Leadership opportunities. Your research background can lead to invitations for hospital committees, quality improvement initiatives, or teaching roles. Professional development. The process of maintaining your CV encourages ongoing engagement with research and scholarly activity, keeping you current. Your CV isn't just a record, it's a dynamic tool that can open doors to new opportunities and enhance your professional reputation within the medical community.
The strategic clinician, leveraging your CV for impact. So, how do you create a compelling academic CV that showcases your research prowess? Format clearly, use a clean, professional, and consistent format. Headings should be clear, e.g., research experience, publications, presentations. Order chronologically, reverse list experiences from most recent to oldest. Detail research experience. Don't just list a project title. Briefly describe your role, responsibilities, methodologies used, and key outcomes. Categorize publications, separate peer-reviewed articles from abstracts, posters, or other publications. Use standard citation formats, e.g., AMA style. List presentations, include the conference name, date, and type of presentation, oral/poster. Include research skills, list any statistical software, SPSS, R, Stata, specific methodologies, systematic reviews, qualitative methods, or specialized databases you've used. Seek feedback, have your mentor or an academic advisor review your CV. Organizations like the American Academy of Research and Academics can provide expert CV review and optimization specifically for IMGs. Keep it updated, add new experiences and publications regularly. Your CV is a living document, invest time in keeping it current and impactful.
In summary, for medical students and IMGs, building a strong academic CV that effectively highlights your research prowess is a critical component of a successful US residency application and a foundational step for your entire academic career. It's your professional narrative, presented at a glance. If you're ready to craft a standout academic CV that powerfully showcases your research and scholarly contributions, visit https://www.google.com/search q=ouracademics.com. Discover our tailored CV review and optimization services specifically for IMGs. Connect with us on LinkedIn or Instagram, and let's help you put your best foot forward. Until next time, you've been listening to the American Academy of Research and Academics podcast. Showcase your skills. Tell your story. See you in the next episode.